Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm bringing to you like this new care homes in the UK that are offering visa sponsorship, and you can apply to them like right now. You all know by now that not every care home in the UK is open to hiring overseas workers, right? So many of them have the license, right? They have the sponsorship license. They are licensed sponsors as listed on the government, UK government website. But right now, they are refusing to offer sponsorship to foreign applicants. So it's like so hard to find a UK care home right now that wants to hire from overseas. So in this video, I'm going to show you, care homes that you can apply to in the UK as a foreigner. So if you're outside the UK, you need a job in the UK as a healthcare assistant, you want to move down to the UK as a healthcare assistant, and you need visa sponsorship, do watch this video. My name is Jackie if we are just meeting, and you're welcome to my channel. Do subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos like this that will help you in your relocation journey, and do turn on the post notification bell, so important, so you don't miss any video I post. And if you're interested in content about finance, how to make money online, side hustles you can do from the comfort of your home with zero capital, then do check out my second channel, Jackie Finance. That is where I share all this kind of information. And truthfully, side hustles, online business are really going to help to facilitate your relocation abroad in so many ways, actually. So do check out Jackie Finance. All right, let me show you these care homes. I'm going to be showing you the website. So do watch it to the end so you can get to know which care homes in the UK you can send in your applications as an international applicant. All right, so let's look at this particular one. So this company, they hire, they're into staffing for healthcare workers. So if you're outside the UK and you want to move down to the UK to work as a health worker, this is a company to look at most definitely. So their vision, for candidates. Okay, let's start from here. Our vision at Swivel Healthcare Limited is to offer a tailor-made service with equal importance attached to the success and satisfaction of our clients, candidates, and colleagues. So you being the candidate, to provide a dynamic bridge consultancy service to promote your skills and support with securing your employment. We offer highly competitive hourly rates. All right, so that is really cool. So why choose us? You can read all of this so you get to know how this company operates and what they are into. Okay, so they do provide domiciliary care services, staffing solutions. So let's see what they have for international candidates. Okay, so international recruitment, they have the UK sponsor license under the skilled worker visa route, and this enables them to hire staff from outside the United Kingdom. So currently, they are hiring workers who reside, in Bedfordshire, Northamptonshire, and Hampshire. So those are three locations that they are currently hiring for. So if you're interested in working in any of these three locations, then you can go ahead with this. Okay, so they also have important key facts and disclaimers here, like they do not charge for referral, and they're saying don't pay money to any individual or agent, that is posing as an agent or representative of this, establishment. And they're also saying that you should not withhold any vital information that regards criminal records and things like that, or anything misleading, basically. And they also said they're going to let you know who is their agent. They will let you know directly. So if anyone comes posing as an agent, they are not. All right. And then they also say the recruitment process could take up to 12 weeks. And we follow a 5-stage recruitment process. So they have a 5-stage recruitment process. So I'm going to show you that process immediately. Okay. So let's look at that. So another one here, if you've not heard from the recruitment team after 3 days from submitting your application, please consider your application as unsuccessful. So if 3 days elapses, you don't hear from them, you can just know it was not successful. Okay, so let's go to the recruitment process, stage 1 to 5. So stage 1 here is candidates should send the following documents. So you're going to be sending your CV, a completed application form. So you click here to download the form. I'm going to drop this link in the description, by the way. And evidence of police clearance and IELTS, right? And then completion of care training, proof of COVID vaccination, names of referees for the last 5 years, passport size picture of yourself or ID for ID purposes, copy of a valid passport, evidence of TB test results, and driving license. So you need all your documents to apply for this job, right? So those documents that you need for your visa application, you need it to apply for this job. I guess I just want to know that you are ready, to take up the job. They don't want to hire someone that will need another like 3 months to get their things sorted. So they need people that are like really ready to move down to the UK immediately. So you're going to email all and really stated all of these documents to this email address right here. So that is stage one. So ensure you gather all these documents. They need all of it sent to this email address right here. That is recruitmentteam@swivelhealthcare.co.uk. All right. So all requested information for stage one should be attached to one email. We will not process any application presented otherwise. So you have to attach everything in one email. You shouldn't send CV in one, then come back, send IELTS in another. Everything should be together to make it easy for them. All right. So now let's look at the stage two. Stage two is upon receipt of the candidate's documents, our team will verify and review all information sent. If shortlisted, this will involve an interview with the prospective candidate. If we are satisfied, the candidates will be offered a conditional offer of employment. And after all of that, can I really read everything? Okay. When a conditional offer of employment is made, the candidates will be notified and advised to make payment for their specialist training and administration costs. We advise that you ensure that you have funds available before you send in your application form. If successful, the offer of employment rather, can be offered within 3 days from the submission of application. Please note that the recruitment team will only respond to applications for successful candidates. If you have not heard from the recruitment team after 3 days, please consider your application not as unsuccessful. All right, so there are fees and charges. Swivel Healthcare reserves the right to charge for administration and online training, which gives candidates access to 42 online mandatory and specialist training modules offered by Swivel Healthcare. The cost of this is £2,450. Please note that this is non-refundable. Upon receipt of evidence of payment to Swivel Healthcare's nominated account, candidates will be sent login details. Candidate is expected to complete all your training in 3 weeks. Please note that this is the only payment that you need to make to Swivel Healthcare. All right, so after that is done, stage 3 is where you will be meeting with directors of Swivel Healthcare. And candidates should provide the following evidence: funds available in their account to pay for their flights, funds available in their accounts for at least 1 month living expenses. That is, the proof of funds for visa application, basically. And then stage 4 is upon successful interview and job offer, Swivel Healthcare will issue an employment contract and a certificate of sponsorship. So this is where you get your COS, right? And then candidates is expected to notify Civil Healthcare within 24 hours of collecting their passport containing their visa. So once you've gotten your visa, you need to let them know you've gotten it. Candidate is expected to confirm their travel arrangements within 48 hours of obtaining their visa. The travel date must be within agreed time frame discussed at interview stage. So they're so serious. They need like someone that is ready for all these stages. All right, so Swivel stage 5, which is the final one, Swivel Healthcare will support with sourcing of appropriate UK accommodation if required. So if you need accommodation, they will assist in sourcing the accommodation. Candidates is expected to have funds to pay for their accommodation. First month's living expenses equivalent to £1,500 will enable the candidates to pay their rent deposit, pay for food, and any startup provision. So they are not responsible for your relocation costs. Obviously, that's what they're saying. You're going to pay for your flights, pay for your accommodation, and all of that, and even pay for your training. So it's good they have all this information out here. So you decide if you're ready to go this journey or not. So this is Swivel Healthcare. Link is in the description. So you can check it out if you're ready for this. If you are ready, you have all your documents and you're ready for the financial, requirements and all, then go ahead and apply. All right, so I hope you found that useful. Do give the video a like, that is a thumbs up, and share it with others so they can apply it to these care homes as well. Let's just spread the kindness around, like the same way I found it, and I did a video to share it to you. Extend that kindness to others as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already so you can be seeing more videos like this. My name is Jackie. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.